Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Kirmani's Pitch Perfect. Today we are at the NCA Nets, जो कि चिन्ना स्वामी स्टेडियम के ठीक बाहर है. यहाँ पर जनरली बडिंग प्लेयर्स प्रैक्टिस करा करते हैं अपनी बैटिंग की, बॉलिंग की, फील्डिंग की वगैरह वगैरह. So today we are going to bring into the screen for the first time सादिक किरमानी. And उनके साथ एक और सरप्राइज है. एक खास मेहमान हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं. एंड दैट विल बी अ वॉल ऑफ सरप्राइज. ब्रॉड हिंट दे दिया आपको. ओके, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड इन टिल द वेरी एंड. केरी किरी की किरी किरी के बाद 1979 में हमारे चौकीदार यानी किरी भाई ने ज़बरदस्त वापसी की एज अ नाइट वॉचमैन इन द होम सीरीज अगेंस्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया इन बॉम्बे. किरी भाई ने ज़बरदस्त वापसी की और नाइट वॉचमैन के तौर पर सेंचुरी मारी. उसके बाद के दौरे भी, चाहे वो पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ हो, चाहे वो इंग्लैंड के खिलाफ हो, इन्होंने अपने जलवे दिखाए. ही शोन ऑल थ्रू. और उसके बाद द आइसिंग ऑन द केक वाज द 1983 वर्ल्ड कप, द मेडन विक्ट्री दैट वी ऑल गॉट एंड वी ऑल चेरिश एंड वी ऑल आर प्राउड ऑफ. किरी भाई, योर एक्सपीरियंसेस from that period which I just mentioned, 1979, up to that crowning glory of the World Cup.
जी, बहुत ही बेहतरीन सवाल किया है आपने. सबसे पहले यही कहूँगा कि मैं पहले तो जो ड्रॉप हुआ, जो ड्रॉप किया गया है मेरे को 1979 में वर्ल्ड कप, सेकेंड वर्ल्ड कप एंड द टूर टू इंग्लैंड.
जी,
जैसे कि मैंने ब्रिक से शुरुआत की, विकेट कीपिंग की, तो इन्होंने मेरे को लाइक ए हॉट ब्रिक दे ड्रॉप मी, you know, overlooking all my consistency, my performances. What can I say, right? So on those basis, I had to stage a comeback. I knew my strength, and then I definitely knew that I would definitely come back.
बिल्कुल.
तो जी हाँ, बिल्कुल.
बहुत शानदार वापसी हुई आपकी.
होम सीरीज़ जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया के ख़िलाफ़ हो रही थी, तो वहाँ पे हमारी बैटिंग का टाइम आ गया.
जी.
तो वहाँ पे चेयरमैन सिलेक्शन कमेटी राज सिंह धुंगरपुर थे.
जी.
लेट राज सिंह धुंगरपुर. और वहाँ पे कैन यू इमेजिन, आई एम मेकिंग ए कम बैक एंड ही टेल्स मी टू पैड अप एज अ नाइट वॉचमैन, गो एंड सेव द इंडियन टीम किरी, दिस इज़ योर डू और डाई मैच. Can you believe? Can you imagine? I'm making a comeback and a chairman and a selection committee tells me, this is your do or die match, man. And that's where I said, okay, right, okay, this is a big challenge for me. Do or die match.
हम जैसे लोगों के
I believed in my capability, I believed in my strength, I believed in myself, and I believed in the Almighty. So I walked in, and
there you were.
By my sincere efforts, that was my first century after marriage also, by the way. That was the year I got married also, 1979. They say that the women and the wife brings a lot of luck, and this is a proof to
This is for you, Habiba. You brought him luck. That was a century he owes you.
Yes.
And he owes you a treat for that.
So from there on, it went on. I established myself. I proved myself that I will stay long with the Indian team with my consistency, with my performances. So from there on, 79 onwards, it went on to 83.
Oh, yes.
Right, the 1983, the most historical tournament for the Indian team. Jabai.
There's some young man, there's some youngster playing, he's wicket keeping in fact. I can see that from a distance.
Oh.
I can't make out who this is.
Yeah, but I don't think he's having the right technique behind there.
Oh.
Can I go and correct him?
Yes. Who better than you, Kiri bhai? Who better than you?
Right.
Here's a young man.
Young man, hold on.
Okay, so we are outside the historic Chinnaswamy Stadium, and you had great memories. We had played wonderful matches in the stadium, and hey, looks, sir, a very familiar face. Sir, very familiar face. Look who we got here.
International walk.
Lovely to see you.
How nice to see you.
Lovely to see
Oh,
you.
well with you.
Very good, Kiri.
People, the wall of fame himself, Rahul Dravid, Mr. Dependable, Jammy, and what have you got? And so pleased, so honored to have you here, Rahul. We want you, since you're here, your recollections of Kiribhai. I understand you played under his tutelage for some time. You started your career with him or something. You
Yeah,
have
so-
good memories of it.
So it's firstly lovely to see you. Happy New Year,
Thank
and
you.
lovely to
Same
see
to you.
Kiribhai.
Wonderful, yes.
Yeah, I think Kiribhai was a hero for all of us. Growing up. I mean,
nice.
I was
Thank
a
you so much.
I was a 10-year-old boy when Kiribhai's team won the 1983 World Cup. So that for me was a huge inspiration to actually take up the game and to play it seriously, and to watch Kiribhai actually take those brilliant catches in the World Cup. I mean, we all remember those leg side diving catches. And really, that was a huge inspiration for me. It was a inspiration for me to join BUCC because Kiribhai had played for BUCC. The late Keki Tarapo was someone who was involved with Kiribhai for a long time. So we all wanted to then be involved with Mr. Tarapo because he knew a lot of these great stars and had worked with them. And then, of course, the privilege and honor of making my first class debut under Mr. Syed Kirmani was something I'll never forget. Playing my first game, against Maharashtra with Mr. Syed Kirmani as captain, having that, just sharing the dressing room with him. I think for those 2 or 3 years that he played first class cricket with me, I just learned so much, and just to watch. One thing I think I'll never forget is Kiribhai's professionalism, and I think the way he approached each and every game. I think he was at the end of his career. He was obviously at that stage, at the back end of his career, and it would have been so easy for someone like him then to take these games casually and be relaxed. But I think that's never in his nature. Just the professionalism with which he approached the practice sessions, each and every match, the professionalism with which he organized his kit, the training that he did, even at that age. I mean, I was 18 years old, and to see someone of that experience who had already achieved everything. I mean, what was there for him left to achieve at that stage? But for him to still have that level of professionalism and dedication for Karnataka cricket and for the team was a huge inspiration, and I learned so much, and I'm truly grateful for everything he's done for Indian cricket and to me personally as well.
Wonderful to listen to those
Yeah.
wonderful things you said about Kiribhai. Kiribhai, your impressions of, we don't have to say, but everybody would like to know
Well,
how you feel about
what can I say about
Yes.
Rahul?
Yes.
The well-disciplined, dedicated, totally into a great thinker of the game. Right from his school days, I've been watching him playing for BUCC. You played for BUCC. We are both BUCC club members as well. Of course, he was very young when I finished off playing for BUCC.
I've been fumbling continuously ever since he came. I thought I was very, I had a way with words, but right now I find myself fumbling and standing in the midst of greatness. Standing
you
in
so
the midst
much.
of greatness. Thank you so much for this honor. Thank you,
thanks a
Rahul.
lot. Thank
And
you
I
very
wish
much.
you all
Thanks.
the best.
Thank you
And
very much.
pleasure is all mine.
Rahul, thanks once again.
Thanks, Kiribhai. All
Take
the best.
care.
Thank you so much.
We'll be in touch. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Here's
All
the young
right,
man.
young man, hold on. Right. I've been watching you from there, young man, and we couldn't make you out with the helmet on. Oh, it's Sadiq Kirmani. Arey, wow. First and foremost, once you take the field, ठीक है, पहले You got to make sure that your feet are evenly balanced. You can stand for hours together with this posture. But when you're on your toes, you can go there.